Hi, Honors World History! This is our first reflection. I do reflections in all my courses just because I think it is a good idea for us to think about what we learned about. So this is your first reflection, and I use the big history reflections because I like that it draws our attention to the driving question. So the driving question for this unit is, why do we look at things from far away and close up? Okay, so I want you to use this to record what you know so far right here in the lesson 1.1 box, okay? I want for you to really think about it and add in some genuine details, some things that you have learned from this point in time, okay? You're going to actually leave this part and this part blank, so I'm just going to get a document that has this here. You're going to want to make sure that you save it, because once you save it, you can go back to it at the end and add to your pieces that you wrote, okay? So you'll add to lesson 1.3 and then how and why your thinking has changed in the last reflection of the unit, okay? Please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to reading your responses.